What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Car Guy Fable, man. I'm back at you another video. Today, man, I'm working on my dude Daytona. About to put in some music in there. So kind of got started, but I ain't really got just deep into it yet. So far, I disconnected the battery terminal cable. I'm gonna put this wire on it. I already got my lead on it, so I'm gonna attach that to that, and then I trim it down. We'll get us a good ground wire. We're going with the Scar 1200.1D. So boom, and we got two 12s. So we're gonna make it bang in a minute, man. Make it bang in a minute. So yeah, man, I need y'all to tap in, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thanks for watching. Click on that notification bell, man, so you stay updated when we post, man. So, I'll be back in a minute, y'all. All right, YouTube. So now I'm about to put the ground on here. So we'll just take this one off right there, and then put it like that. Put that back on there. Just like that, our ground is connected. So we got a ground lead, we got a power lead. I got this tow truck driver dropping his cut dog off. So yeah, man, it's your boy Car Guy Fabo. We at Space Age Customs, and he don't know how to drive. Got these Chevys out here, man. It's a Chevy yard. GM. We work on other shit too, though. Space Age Customs, man. All right, YouTube. So I got both ground and power installed. I got my fuse block installed. I got the fuse sitting over here to the side, so it won't be no power generating through it, just in case it fall over and touch the metal frame of the car or something. So now what I'm about to do is get this old stuff out of here, give me a remote wire, and go into this fuse panel right here, and find the damn. I gotta find the radio fuse so it can trigger the amp on and off as the car goes on and off. So looks like I need two hands. So I'm gonna go in here, figure out which fuse is the radio fuse. Once we find that, we can hook. There it is right there, F37. So now you can look at the diagram right here and you find F37. We one of the small daddies right there. I see it, you see it? Anyway, that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna find the fuse, put the remote on there, put the wire, the ground and the power in, put the speaker wire in, and then I gotta do inline converter. You take this inline converter right here. So it got like 4 speaker wires on it. It got a remote, and some of them are powered. This one isn't. Might be. I'm not sure. I haven't opened it up yet. Anyway, you gotta pull the cover down, expose the 6x9s, tap into that speaker wire, and then plug your RCA jacks up in that. Then you get sound. So be right back, man. All right, YouTube. So I got all the wiring installed. The amp is on. I got the remote wire in there, but I'm gonna have to change it because it actually should not be on right now because nothing inside of the car is on. So what it's doing is on a continuous power fuse. I'm gonna have to find one that actually shuts on and off with the car. And I got it in the radio, which is F37. So anyway, I was telling you about the inline converter. So I'm just gonna hook up the 2 wires that you see stripped, and I'm gonna hook them up to the speaker wire. So I'm gonna skin the plastic back, tie it in, then hook it back up, and I should have sounds. Be right back. All right, YouTube, so I got everything wired up. I'm gonna have to probably put a toggle switch on the remote so to cut on and off. You have to do it manually. I'm gonna put a screw in here to keep that secure. Put a couple of screws in the amp to keep it stable. Now I'm about to grab the sub box and put it in the trunk and do a test fire, baby. So, be right back. Turn it up. Turn it up. Pop the trunk. Pop the trunk. Yeah.
Shout out to God, even though I had slipped on the floor. My Rex very large, shit, niggas, I got antidote. Yeah, you don't want antidote, it's blizzard, I got plenty smoke. I switched up all the bitch, man, she like relations, I'm a fake. Sipping on some Barney and I'm rolling up some Piccolo. Little bit of 10 to 4, and I bet I can reach you.
Yeah, we got them beating and shit, man. So now I'm about to put a kill switch on here and I'll be done with it, y'all. So that's it, man. Alright, YouTube, we just got done with it. Done with the music. I was satisfied. Thought he was gonna turn the music on. Another one. Space Age.